Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shloka 13 and Shloka 14. भृगुर्वसिष्ठच्यवनश्च गौतमो मेधादिदित्येवलदेवरातौ रामस्तदा गादिसुतश्च शाकलोः मृगण्टुपुत्रा त्रिपजः पिप्पलादाः योगेश्वरौ व्यासपराशरौ च छायाशु गोजाजलिजह्नुमुख्याः सर्वेऽप्यमी मुनिगणा सह पुत्रशिष्याः स्वस्त्रीभिराययुरधिप्रणयेन युक्ताः भृगुर्वसिष्ठश्च वनश्च गौतमो. So these are the names of the sages who are the leaders who came along with their sons and their disciples and wives to listen to Bhagavata. The names are Bhrigu, Vasishta, Shyavana, Gautama. Medhadidi Devala Devaratau. Medhadidi Devala Devaratau means he is the Devarata, who is the Yaknya Valkya. Next, Ramastada Gadi Sutascha Shakalo. That means Ramastada, that means the Parashurama, Gadi Sutascha. Sutascha means son. So, the son of Gadi, who is the Vishwamitra. Shakalo means Shakala. Next is Mrikantu Putra Trija Pippalada. That means Mrikantu Putra. The Putra means son. Son of Mrikantu, who is the Markandeya. Trija means the son of Atri, who is the Dattatreya. Next is Pippalada. So these are the names of the Muni. Vrigurvasishta Shavanascha Gautamo Medadidir Devala Devaratau Ramastada Gadi Sudascha Shakalo Mrikantu Putra Trija Pippalada. So the sages Bhrigu, Vasishta, Shavana, Gautama, Medadidi, Devala, Devavrada, Parashurama, Vishwamitra, Sakala, Markandeya, Dattatreya, Pippalada. Then Yogeshwara, Vyasa, Parasharaucha means Yogeshwarau. That means the Vamadeva, then the Lord of Yoga. Vyasa Parasharaucha, the Vyasa Muni as well as the Parashara Muni. Chaya Shuko. Chaya means the counterpart or the shadow of Shuka, who is called the Chaya Shuka. Jajali Jakhnu Mukhyaha. Mukhya means who are very much important. And Jajali, who is the name, and the Jakhnu. These are the names of the sages who were the leaders. Sarvepyami Munigana Saka Putra Shishyaka. Sarvepi Ami. Sarvepi means everybody. Ami. Along with them, Muniganaka, with the crowd of the sages, group of sages, Saha, along with them, Putra, all their sons, Shishyaka, all their disciples, Swastri Bhirayayu Rati, Pranayena Yuktaka. Swastri Bhirayu Yuradi means their wives. Pranayena means with deep attachment. Yuktaha means they were longing to come and listen to the Bhagavata story. Yogeshwarau Vyasa Parasharau cha Chayashuko Jajali Jakhnu Mukhyaka Sarvepyami Munigana Saka Putra Shishyaka Swastri Bhiraya Yuradi Pranayena Yuktaka. That means Vyasa, the Vamadeva, the Lord of Yoga, Vyasa, Parashara, the counterpart of Shuka, who is called the Chaya Shuka, and all the multitudes of sages of whom Jijali and Jakhnu were the leaders, came along with their sons, disciples and wives as they entertained a deep attachment and longing to listen to the Bhagavata. भृगुर्वसिष्ठश्च वनश्च गौतमो मेधातिथिर्देवलदेवरातौ रामस्तदाघादिसुतश्च शाकलो मृकण्टुपुत्रात्रि च पिप्पलादाः योगेश्वरौ व्यासपराशरौ च छायाशुको जाजलिजह्नुमुख्याः सर्वेऽप्यमी मुनिगणा सकपुत्रशिष्याः स्वस्तिभिराय युरधि प्रणयेन युक्ताः. So the sages Bhrigu, Vasishta, Shyavana, Gautama, Medatithi, Devala, Devabrata, Parashurama, Vishwamitra, Shakala, Markandeya, Dattatreya, Pippalada, Vamadeva, Vyasa, Parashara, and Chayashuga, and all the group of sages with which Jajali and Jaknu were the leaders, came along with their sons, disciple and wife, and they were longing to listen to the Bhagavata story. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.